In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Canva text box. If you've ever tried to format a paragraph in Canva and wondered why the usual keyboard shortcuts don't work, you are not alone. Canva's standard text boxes don't support a traditional tab key indent, so we'll use two simple, reliable workarounds that give you clean, consistent results. First, open your design in Canva and navigate to the page where your text lives. Make sure your text box is selected, so you can see your cursor inside the paragraph you want to adjust. The quickest method is manual spacing. Click at the very start of your paragraph and press the spacebar repeatedly until you see the first line move to the right to the indent width you like. Because the tab key is generally not supported for indentation in standard Canva text boxes, the spacebar is the way to go here. The exact number of spaces you need will depend on your font and size, so watch how the text shifts as you add spaces. If you go too far, tap backspace to remove a space at a time. For consistency across multiple paragraphs, note how many spaces you used and apply the same count each time. After you've set the indent, give the paragraph a quick read to make sure the spacing still looks balanced at your chosen font size. If you want a more controlled look, especially when only the first line should be indented and the rest should stay aligned on the left, create two separate text boxes. Use one text box for the first line of your paragraph and another text box for the remaining lines. Start by typing the first line in its own box. Then add a second text box directly underneath and paste or type the rest of the paragraph there. Manually align the left edge of the lower box with the point where the first line visually ends, so it appears as a neat indent. Take a moment to nudge each box with your arrow keys for precision, and zoom in if needed to make the edges line up cleanly. This approach gives you a clear, consistent first line indent without affecting the rest of your text. Before you wrap up, preview your design to confirm the indent looks right at the final zoom level. Changes to font, size, or line breaks can slightly shift spacing, so a quick check helps keep everything polished. That's it. Thanks for watching.